Hello, hello, hello. What's up, fellas? What's up, ladies? What's going on, beautiful people of the United States of America and around the world? We are here again today, live, people. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day. It is May the 6th. Today, we're just going to be, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of, my watch list for today. Watch list for the week, for the next couple weeks. Some stocks and some crypto that I'll be watching. And so hopefully you guys that have been tuning in, you guys could watch these same stocks too. Um, a lot of other people, watch different stocks, but I'm going to give you, my watch list that I'm watching, and why I think these cryptos and stocks will be much more profitable towards the end of the month, or even, for the rest of the month and beyond. All right. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. Please, guys, go ahead and please subscribe to this channel. You're going to click the like and subscribe button below. Really helps our channel circulate around YouTube and really so more people can see content like this, right? So we want to learn and also, keep up, right? Maybe you want to keep up and you want to buy a Lambo. Maybe you want to keep up and you want to buy a Benz, right? And we always want to keep leveling up, right? So that's just what it is. So without further ado, let's get started for today. I'm going to show you guys just some cryptos I've been watching. So the first one, guys, is Bitcoin here. And Bitcoin, guys, has been trading a little bit, between 55,000 and 58,000. Um, so it's been kind of stagnant, right? So we know that. So if we're looking at the 4 chart right now, the 4 hour chart. Let's zoom out here. So let's see, you see even starting in April here, you see all of April, it went up, it ran all the way up to 65, right? Closer to 65,000. And it came back down, made a higher low, to 47. Then for the last few weeks, so for the past week, end of April into the beginning of May, we see it trading right now between 52 and 58,000, right? So 52 and 58,000. Um, so, you say, roughly for the past few days too, it's been trading, a good 55 to 58, right? So we'll say a good 52 to 58. And right now, guys, Bitcoin, am I holding Bitcoin in my portfolio? A little bit. I would say less than 10%. Um, you know, I definitely will hold more Bitcoin. I just don't see right now, I don't see it super, super profitable. I'm not saying Bitcoin is not profitable. Bitcoin is profitable, but I'm looking for bigger swings in the market. For me, I'm gonna be honest, I don't have a huge like 7 figure portfolio. But I'm working with a little something, right? And especially if you guys are starting out with smaller portfolios, you guys are starting out with smaller accounts, Bitcoin is good, right? And the thing about it is, I'm going to hold more in the future. The thing about Bitcoin is, guys, is that Bitcoin has the narrative right now that it is a store of value, right? So Bitcoin has a narrative right now that is a store of value. And so it's kind of like gold. When you think of store of value, think of something like gold or silver, or a precious commodity, right? You see gold trades very stagnant, right? If we look at gold right now, we're going to see it's probably around 1750, 1730, right? So if I check the gold price right now, gold per ounce. Oh, so it's it just made a run up, right? So it just made a run up. That's pretty exciting to 1814. So $1,814. It just made a run up, and it makes sense too because I had a feeling that gold did run up a little bit, and not from headline reading. Just the fact on I'm always in the markets, guys. So just the fact on the dollar, kind of trading lower in the foreign currency, so in forex, so in the foreign exchange markets, the dollar is kind of trading lower, and the dollar is losing value, guys. So if you guys don't know your history, uh, go look up your history. I highly suggest you read the join my book club, by the way, Cali Book Group on Facebook. If you want to get invited, you can leave a comment below. I will invite you to that as well. But I highly suggest you read the Become Your Own Banker, Infinite Banking Concept by Nelson Nash. That book is amazing. Also, guys, you guys should read for the gold standard, right? And just to know what money is doing now, what is happening right now. In 2021, we're living in sort of the new Great Depression, and you guys should read The New Great Depression by James Rickards, aka Jimmy Rickards, and he will let you guys know this dude, he spits straight facts. Okay, and the book's amazing. I have it right here. I finished reading it. I finished reading it last month, and it's a great book, guys. It's a pretty nice read. You see, the new Great Depression. You see George Washington's face here with the nice mask here. Very, very nice book. Um, I don't want to get into too much of that, guys, but go ahead, read that book. You'll thank me later. Join my book group, guys, and then we can talk more about it too. We're living in interesting times, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now, we are living in interesting times. But yeah, guys. So let's take a look at gold too, guys. So if we take a look at gold here, we know that gold has been trading, between 1700, so low 1700s. It's been going on the up and up, but it's been kind of stagnant, right? Some weeks it's 1730, some weeks it's 1740, 1730, 1750, 1760, but between 1700s, right? So it doesn't make major moves. Right. And Bitcoin is definitely more volatile than gold. I'm not going to say no, but Bitcoin, it does have its periods of stagnation, just like gold. And getting back to the store of value concept is that Bitcoin is having a narrative, and even the government knows this, and not only the government, but the Fed knows this, the Federal Reserve. So I think his name's Jerome Powell. He knows this. He knows, and he even I remember in an interview, if you guys watch, I think on KidCo News, they interview him and they ask him about Bitcoin, and he even says that Bitcoin is sort of like gold, where it's holding a store of value, right? So it's holding a store of value, and they know that, they know that. And for people that's saying that, oh, the government's going to ban crypto, guys, that's not going to happen, guys. That when people say that, that's how I know that they don't know the crypto markets. They're not in the crypto markets. How can the government ban the crypto markets if they're actively participating? These big financial institutions, these banks, and these government institutions are participating in the crypto market. How are they going to ban the crypto market, guys? Some people are just. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. That when you say something like that, I know that you really don't know what you're talking about, and I just don't listen to those types of people, right? So that's pretty much what it is, guys. So that is, Bitcoin right there. I mean, that's gold right there. It is, a store of value, just like Bitcoin is. And Bitcoin, guys, I really like it too. It is more, obviously, it moves more than gold. We know that. So Bitcoin this is what we can see, right? Right here, we're seeing on the 4 hour, boom, it bounced off the 50 MA. Right now, 56, right? 56, 400, and then it could bounce off here and shoot straight up. We know that it can shoot straight up, right, past 65 and even higher. And I really do believe that Bitcoin's throughout the summer is going to make higher highs and even higher lows, guys. And remember, guys, if we're really looking even at the daily chart, I remember, guys, when we were down here at 44,000, we're like, man, could Bitcoin go higher? Could Bitcoin go higher? It already hit 30, it hit 40, it hit 44. Now it's tanking down. Is it really done? You see these headlines saying, oh, Bitcoin is done. Like, I just laugh, guys, because that's not the case. It's never done. It's not done yet. I shouldn't say it's never done. It's the growth is not done yet, guys. I think we're just getting started. So yeah, Bitcoin is great. It's great if you have it in your portfolio too. I definitely, suggest maybe having a bit of Bitcoin, right? And again, guys, I want to show this for educational entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm no tax, advisor, or anything like that. I'm just sharing this with you for education and entertainment purposes only, right? So you see Bitcoin right here. Another coin that I think you guys should have in your portfolio, and that have a little bit of too, is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is killing it right now, guys. Ethereum is definitely killing it, guys. We've seen Ethereum, right? For the past week, right? So even beginning of last week, it was at 2,600. We're like, man, is this the farthest Ethereum can go? Is this the farthest Ethereum can go? Lots of people started selling. I don't know what to do. And, hey, they can sell all they want. Even now, this is not the highest Ethereum's going to go, guys. Ethereum right now, since we're speaking, is $3,500, around $3,500, 3,520 at the time that we're speaking right now. So there is more growth and movement for Ethereum, guys. There is more growth and movement for Ethereum, and I love Ethereum, guys. There is so much fundamentals behind Ethereum, right? It's not like Bitcoin, a store of value. There's a lot of fundamentals going on behind the Ethereum protocol, behind the Ethereum blockchain, that are smart contracts and applications and DeFi apps being built on the Ethereum blockchain. I never knew this, but I did my little bit of research, and I know that USDT, some of the stable coins, lots of the stable coins are built actually on the Ethereum blockchain as well, guys. Stable coins are huge. Why? Because they're pegged to the dollar, right? So if they're pegged to the dollar, that means there's not a lot of volatility. There's really no volatility. Right. So, the fact that it's pegged to, the fact that these stable coins like the USDT, the USDC, and a couple others, they're built on Ethereum. They're built on top of the layer of Ethereum. That is huge, guys. That is huge, and that obviously is going to increase the value of Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to keep making higher and higher highs. I wouldn't be surprised even by the end of the summer, or even by the summer, we're hitting 5,000s, 6,000s, 7,000s, even closer to, let's say, before this fall, by 10,000, guys. So I'm definitely loading up on Ethereum, guys. I don't care what anybody says. Ethereum is awesome, right? Ethereum's awesome. Okay. Another coin that some of you guys have been looking at and have been trying to FOMOing in, is a coin called Dogecoin, right? And fortunately, I don't have any Dogecoin in my portfolio. I'm thinking of maybe getting into it just for the hype, but it is a meme coin, guys. It is a hype coin. Like, there's so much hype behind Dogecoin. I think people are non-experienced traders and people that don't really look at the fundamentals analysis of a coin, or goes into why they're investing into a certain type of crypto. They are going to read headlines, they're going to read Instagram feeds, they're going to read Facebook feeds, TikTok, Snapchat, whatever, Twitter. They're going to read these headlines and say, you know what, why don't I put money in to why don't I put money into Dogecoin, right? And they're saying, hey, why don't I put money into Dogecoin? Because I know it's going up. We know Dogecoin, I think Dogecoin is going to go up. So everybody is going up. I'm going to buy at the top. And the thing about it is, which is so funny, is that once Dogecoin really hits that high, like it hit like 70, 68, 70 cents here, many people were like, you know what? I'm going to buy in. 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 And they're buying at the top, guys. And that already lets me know that people are definitely FOMOing in and they're buying in, right? Me, am I going to get in? I don't know. I don't really think so. I'm not mad if I don't. I don't care if it goes to $2, $3. Actually, I'll probably care a little bit, but I'm not going to care too much, right? Because I know Dogecoin is a meme coin. Again, nothing wrong if you have this in your portfolio, but again, this isn't really not for me. I might buy at another dip, say if Dogecoin dips maybe back to 45, 40 cents, dips a little bit down, or even 50 cents, I might buy a little bit in, and wait for the next run up. But am I going to keep holding Doge in my portfolio? I don't know. I don't think so. So I don't even have Doge right now. I know lots of you guys do have Dogecoin right now. Another coin that I really love, I like having in my portfolio is EOS. Okay, so EOS, guys, EOS and me have been a little bit weird. So I got in at EOS, let's say April. So let's say, yeah, beginning of April. I think I got in around 550. Okay. I ended up selling it towards the end of the month. So it ran all the way up to, I think, I sold it, and I think I sold it at like, 7. I was selling on the way up, right? All month of April. Sold it at 8, and I sold it again at 7, and then I really sold everything, really, I think at 750 or 7, right? Um, and then I really got back in. So once it went down to like 5, once it went down to like 550, I got back in a little bit, right? So I bought in at the dip again, which was literally yesterday, not too long ago. So I bought back in at the dip. I think it was at like $6. Got back in at the dip, and now, guys, it's almost at $12, guys. So it has literally almost doubled, um, since the time I bought it, right? And I think EOS is going to keep making higher highs, right? And if we look at the fundamental analysis of EOS, right, or the technical analysis of EOS, I would say it's going to keep going higher and higher, because the highest it's been, since the run up in 2017, 2018 was $23. So it's not even, it's just getting close to half of that, right? So I think EOS is going to keep making higher and higher moves, just on the overall grand scheme of things. I think it may even pass 23, $24. We'll probably see EOS go into the 50s, $60. So I think I'm definitely going to keep loading up on EOS. I have some right now. I would say I have, about, probably 10, 15% of my portfolio EOS. Very, very great coin. Love EOS. What other? Oh yeah, and then also we have Litecoin, guys. Right, so we have Litecoin. I honestly think Litecoin has more growth. It has a lot more growth potential. I think the highest it's been was $420. That's according to Coinbase. This is Kraken technical analysis, but Coinbase says it's been around 420. I think it's going to pass $420. We'll probably see Litecoin even get to the 500s, 600s. So I'd even be, I have Litecoin right now. I have, I think a little bit more than 20% of my portfolio in Litecoin, just because I see so much growth potential. Litecoin is just amazing. What else here? Giving you guys the rundown here. Let me see. What else here? And oh yeah, many of you guys probably love this coin right here. Is Cardano. Cardano is on the run up, guys. I think I got into Cardano. When did I get into Cardano? I got into Cardano, I think around $1.10. right? And I've been just pretty much holding, right? I've been buying a little bit here, buying a little bit there, buying a little bit there. But for the long term, guys, Cardano has a crazy future. There is lots of gr- its blockchain is amazing, and I think it's going to be used a lot more in the future for cryptocurrencies. All right, so I'm loading up a shit ton of Cardano, just even like right now, even at $1.10. You know, even at a dollar, I bought a little bit more. I think at $1.20 the other day, and it's booming up. Even now, even right now, it's at its higher high right now. It's breaking higher highs. I'm gonna still be buying at $1.69. I'm gonna probably be buying at $2. I'm still gonna be buying on the way up with Cardano because I think Cardano is probably gonna be hitting, at least 10, 20, 30, $50. We're probably going to see that towards the end of the year, guys. So I think Cardano is definitely going to keep running up. I'm just going to keep buying in more. Cardano has a lot of hype behind it. Not only hype, but like a lot of people understand why Cardano is so valuable, right? So it doesn't have too much expensive gas fees like Ethereum, right? So not too many expensive gas fees, but Cardano is just amazing, guys, right? So definitely loading up on that, okay? And then, we'll switch into the stock game. Um, so I've been playing around the stock market, guys. You know, couple stocks. There's one stock that I really love, and that's Bank of America, guys. Bank of America is just amazing. Bank of America is really a force. It's really amazing, guys. I like Bank of America. I've been trading options on Bank of America too, and those that really does the job. It does the trick, guys. If you don't know how to trade options, guys, um, you guys can go ahead and I would say learn how to trade options. You guys can go ahead, learn how to trade options. Um, you can even watch on YouTube, to be honest. But if you really want an instructor, there are plenty of instructors out there. One is Brother Polite's class. It's literally called, his name is called Brother and then space POLIGHT. He teaches, his people how to sell, how to buy options, how to trade options on the daily. And options guys give you a huge markup, guys. I'm telling you, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. There'd be some weeks where I'm like, wow, I've made more money than I would at my job, and I already made that in literally one day. You're waking up overnight, you paid for the option that's probably like $120. Next thing you know, the next day, and that's for one contract, right? I mean, you're coming in with a small amount. Say if you came in with a little bit larger amount, I came in with a smaller amount, one contract. Next thing you know, next day contracts worth like $300-400. I'm like, wow, that's pretty crazy. And the next day it's worth like 600-700. And the thing I love about options, I love trading options too, especially with bank stocks like Bank of America, because they don't have to go so much up in value. They only have to go like a few cents, right? They only move a few cents. And if you have multiple contracts within that trade, that is going to be a big run up, guys. And you can day trade options. Day trading options is great too. You can make good percentages, especially if you know what you're doing, guys. It is a little bit risky, but get educated. Also, guys, I'm just trying to see. Honestly, I'm going to be honest. I learned trading options basically on YouTube, and I was asking some of my friends that traded options themselves. And then I got the hang of it pretty quickly because I just did extensive research. But if you really want to learn from somebody, I would say even, yeah, go to brotherpolite.com. You can also go on Epic trading.com as well too. I'm pretty sure they teach you about forex. I'm pretty sure they teach you about options too, and you can learn the whole trade there too, guys. Honestly, guys, YouTube is your best friend too. A lot of this stuff too for trading, you can learn bits and pieces on YouTube, put it together if you're that scrappy. Like sometimes I'd be that scrappy. I don't need to pay for a course, and then I'm straight, right? Um, but some people want to actually have a good a course that they want to pay for, right? And there are courses out there that you can pay for. You can literally pay for options courses. You just pay for it and they'll teach you the rundown, and it's pretty simple, guys. Once you know the language, it's pretty simple. You get in, and you get out of trades. It's pretty simple. But Bank of America is awesome, guys. And not only trading options on Bank of America or bank stocks, but holding them for the long term, guys. The reason why I love it is because Bank of America is on average going up and up and up. Okay. And it's a bank, right? So, it's not going to tank a lot, right? And it's not going to stay down. Um, Banks are banks, guys. They're running society. So, and they're pumping out loans, they're pumping out mortgages, car notes, whatever you name it, right? So this is why I really, really like bank stocks. Bank of America. Another one I love is is JP Morgan, JP Morgan Chase. These guys are awesome too. Um, you know, I think I kind of stopped. When did I stop trading JP Morgan? I think I stopped around like March because it was becoming a little bit stagnant here, but it looks like it's breaking structure right over here at 160. The thing about trading stocks, guys, it's not like crypto, or even forex, because it's choppy, it's slow. Every day is like slow, right? So every day you're not going to have a lot of too much movement. You'll have movement, right? But you're not having it like forex, which is running 24 hours, 5 days a week, or even crypto 24/7, Sunday to Sunday. 24 hours even while you're sleeping, right? Stocks are very limited. The markets open at pre-markets open I think at 9, and then the market opens at like 9:30 official trading, and then it ends at like 4. So the movement is pretty choppy, so you definitely got to watch out. But obviously if you know how to trade, guys, there you go. I mean, that's what it is. So JP Morgan, amazing, amazing stock. And then other ones too, like Morgan Stanley. That's also a great stock too. I love the trade. And you can see this one's also breaking structure. Honestly, this one's breaking structure right now. And honestly, I think I might even get into an option on Morgan Stanley just while even, you know, talking about this video, talking to you guys right now in this video. These bank stocks are just awesome. But yeah, guys, those are the crypto and stocks that I pretty much look at. There are a couple other ones too, but I'll let you guys know in a separate video. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Um, you know, Buying stocks, guys, even shares of stocks for the long term is really great too. What I love to do, guys, too, is go on Robinhood. You want to search. Once you click the search button, you can click on daily movers. You'll see daily movers and huge swings. Like one stock, which last week I made a pretty good killing off of too, was BTX. It looks like ooh, it looks like it's trading a little bit lower, but last week it was killing it, man. It went from like I think it went from like 13 all the way to like $50, and then a little bit after that it went to like $70 or $80. Like that one was a huge mover. Those huge movers, guys, if you can get in and get out on the daily, that's gonna really bump and really bump your portfolio up too, guys. There's a whole bunch of stocks, guys, and sometimes you want to do your research. It's good to look at the daily movers. and move around with them, right? So that's pretty much what it is, guys. So definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. But I'll see you guys soon in the next one. All right. Peace out.